Good morning. This is Mr. Handy for your Year 8, Week 5. Okay. Today we are learning Chapter 4, Length, Math, and Capacity. Okay. Again, if you are first here, this is the book we use for this session. We will be using another books. Okay, next time. Okay. And this is a 6-month program. Okay, started last month from January, week 1. Okay, until it will be last until July 10th. Okay. So this is 24 lessons. Okay, I structure in 24 lessons. Okay, following this syllabus. Okay, so this one will be week 1, week 2, week 3, and now we also have the review for certain week. And this is a 19 chapter. That means there'll be one introduction and then another 4 review. Okay, so hopefully you can follow us. Okay, and as the review comes, okay, I will try to print out. I think for you to do some exercise. Okay, just follow our class. Okay, and then I will try to help you. And this is important because this is an extra thing that you can work together with your existing class and tuition. Okay, today we are learning about unit of measure. Okay, so for example, we have centimeter and we have millimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. Okay, for example, if you want to measure this laser, what measure, how to say, which length you want to use? Okay, you can use for this one, for example. You can use for, this is inches, this is about 1 inches. You also can use centimeter. This is about 2 point something centimeter, nearly to 3. The weight, and if you want to measure the weight, will be the width is around 2 centimeter. Okay, or you can use also inches. Okay, so this question asks you to measure. Okay, one step. Okay, 1 long stride. Okay, is about 1 meter. Okay, same thing. Okay, I think usually when you watch a movie, old style movie. Okay, you know that. Okay, this is a person selling the fabric, selling the cloth. Okay, so this person, when you want to measure the 1 meter, usually they'll take out the cloth this way until the shoulder. From the shoulder here until the last of the this is your hand is straight. Okay. Okay. So from shoulder to the hand here is usually 1 meter. Okay. Last time they will use this one as to represent 1 meter. Okay. But now I think 1 meter is fixed by 100 cm. Okay, is so-called the SI unit. Okay. So the small length are measured in centimeter and milliliter. Okay. So this fingernail is about 1 cm and or 10 mm long. Large length are measured in kilometers. Okay. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter. You should be able to walk 1 kilometer roughly about 15 minutes. Okay. And then we learn about kilogram. Okay, kilogram. A large pineapple weighs about 1 kg. Okay, you probably weigh between for you, if you are now year 8, you are probably from 38 to 48 kilograms. So, which is, if you want to measure your grams, it will be about 38,000 to 48,000 grams. Okay, so a lemon. Okay, weight about 50 grams for this lemon. Okay, so today I think it's a very short class. Okay. Okay, a pencil weight about 5 grams. Okay, this pencil weight of 5 grams. 1 ton. 1 ton is for a heavy one. Okay, so 1 T is about 1,000 kilograms. Okay, so today, okay, you will be doing this exercise by yourself. Okay, so you can screenshot this one for this book and try to do this one. Okay, for example, write out 3 things that are less than 1 cm, less than 10 cm, or about 1 meter long. Okay, and repeating. Okay, all these questions you can do by yourself. Okay, I think this is easy for today. Okay, then we need to convert this one, so-called between the metric units. Metric units. Okay, so for example, okay, I should try to show you this one. Okay. 1 meter, for example, if one's equal to 1 cm, 100 cm, okay? So, if I want you to find for me 2 meter, okay? The 2 meter will be, okay, you need to have an X here, okay? I'm teaching you this method, this method in probability and ratio, okay? So you can always use this method for direct proportion question, okay? So this is meter, this is cm. So this is 1, this is 100, this is 2. Then how much that? Okay. So you can always draw an arrow up, an arrow up. Okay. And then this arrow means ratio. So it's actually x divided by 100 is equal to 2 divided by 1. So you should do this way. X divided by 100 is equal to 2 divided by 1. So x divided by 100 times 100 equal to 2 over 1 times 100. What I do on my left, I do on my right. So you can cancel each other. So the x will be equal to 2 times 100. So the answer is 200 centimeters. So you can know the answer here is 200 centimeters. Okay. You can always use this one for your own training. Okay. Now this is ton. And then this is kg. 1 ton is equal to 100 kg, 1000 kg. Okay, 1000. So I think I don't need to write kg here anymore. Okay. And then if I want to ask you, okay, maybe this is about 2.13 okay, ton is equal to what? How many kg? Maybe you write this y. Okay, just now I show the arrow is up. Okay, if you are in this stage already, no worry. Okay, your arrow can be sideways also. From y to 2.13 and this one. Okay, it means that y divided by 2.13 is equal to 1000 divided by 1. Okay, so it's y divided by 2.13 is equal to 1000 divided by 1. So to solve this type of question, you need to have 1 divided by 2.13 times 2.13 equal to 1000 times 2.13. Okay, so you cancel this one, then you'll get y equal to 1000 times 2.13 will be 2130. 2130. Okay. So this method is called ratio and proportion method. You can always try for any other question. Okay. So this is about converting your metric units. Okay. So today we will try to teach you a new thing which is called area, volume, and capacity. Okay. So if you want to try to draw the things, actually this is from one dot. Okay? Everything is from one dot. If you line out the dot together, it makes a line. Okay, we call it in length. For example, in meter, in cm, or in km. Okay, so if every line, this is one line, one line, one line, one line. You line out the line together, it makes you an area which is cm square, meter square, and km square. So this is cm. So this is cm times cm. So this is cm times this cm. Okay, cm times cm. So if this is meter, it means that meter times meter. Okay, and from the area, if you write out the area one after another, okay, it makes you a volume. Okay, this volume is cm times cm times cm. Okay. Okay. Besides that, okay, actually, this one, 1 cm cube is equal to 1 milliliter. Okay, so since we know that 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter, so same thing happens. Okay, you may write this one as 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So you may just screenshot this one for exercise if you want to do. And then just for the 4B also you can screenshot for exercise. Okay. You can try to screenshot. I think I need to get the last this one. Okay. This one for your exercise. I think cannot. Okay, need to. Okay. Okay, you can screenshot this one for your exercise. Sometimes we need to do some estimation or approximate and between the accurate value. Okay, so this is the example for you. If I want to buy, okay, if I want to buy 3 packs of 699 grams of sweet. Okay, we can estimate it by changing this 699 round into one significant figure. One significant means that we take the largest part. Okay, then we look at the next one, then we try to rounding it up. Okay, for example, this is 3, and then this is around 700 grams. So 7 times 3 will get 2100. Okay, 2100 grams of sweets. Okay, this is a way of the so-called estimate. Okay, this is quite near sometimes to the accurate value. Okay, but this is the approximate one because this is good enough for thing which is we don't need to be so accurate. Okay, another thing. Okay, so we can find this one. If this is 1.9 times 21.62, okay, over 399.3. Okay, so if you want to find, I need a calculator. Okay, if you want to find the exact number, we can use the calculator. Okay, if not, we can look for other ways. Okay, for example, this 1.9 is nearly to 2. Okay, and then this 21 is nearly to 20, and then this one is 400. Okay, so thank you very much. So you may try to press the actual number, the exact one, okay, accurate value, which is 1.9 times 21.62, and then, oh no, this one should write this one first. Okay, 1.9 times 21.62, then the below part will be 399.3. So the exact number will be 0.102875. Okay, so from here we can try to make it easier by, this is 40 over 400, and then we cancel out, so it's 1 of 10, which is 0.1. Can you see the answer is good enough already to find the estimate answer. Okay. Other than this, okay, I can give you some question on multiples and factors. Okay. So another good example of this. If 19 times 1 is equal to what? What number? So this one will be 19, right? So if 19 times 2 Yeah, you may face problem on finding this one, okay? But another method will be, this is near to 20. So if this is 20, 20 means 20 times 2 is 40. But this is less than 1. So you need to minus 1 times 2, which is 2. So minus 2 will become a 38. Okay, so the answer is 38. You can always use estimate also to find the exact, how to say, to find the accurate value. Okay, for example, if I move to 19 times 3, surely you know this is about 20 times 3 is 60 minus 3, so is 57. Okay, let's try. 19 times 3 is 57. Then you can using the same method again, times 4. So this 80 minus 4 is 76. 19 times 4, you get you 76. And 19 times 5, I think you know that this is 95 already. Okay, so estimate is not only what we learn in our school, but you can use in real life counting, and this is good for you to apply this one in the prime numbers. Okay, prime number factorization. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, the famous question will be 38 over 95. Then you need to factorize it. Okay, I think many students struggle with this 38. Sorry, struggle with this question. But actually, if you know this one is 19 times 2, and then this is 19 times 5, then you can cancel each other. The answer you get is 2 over 5. Okay, I think this estimate is good to use in other way as well. Okay, not only this, okay. So when you have this number, 300 and 3804 maybe, right? 30 times 25. Okay, 25 is hard, okay, but I think you know that now 25 is also the side is also near to the number called 100 divided by 4. Okay, so to do this one, to times 25, I think it take a long time, but for me, I would rather do this one. So that is 380400, then I divide by 4. Okay, so I think this is slightly faster than the times 2 digit. Okay, so this is such a critical thinking way of solving this question. You may have to try in your house, and you know that how fast you can go. Okay, so this is an exercise. You can screenshot and do it by yourself, and then this one again. And then this one. I think it's too small, right? Okay, I make it into 2 parts. Screenshot the first part first, and then the second part. And then this one again. Okay, and then in UK we have learned this one, Imperial Unit. Okay, what does it mean Imperial Unit? This is interchange between US and the UK syllabus, and this is international, and this is within the UK. We call it Imperial, which is a mile, M-I-L-E, mile. Okay, a mile means 1,000. Okay, so you need to use to convert. This one is, this is km, this is mile. Okay, 1 km is around 5/8. Okay, 5/8. Okay, so if I want you to find, okay, 20 km in mile, then you need to draw again this shape. So you need to draw an arrow again. So which is x divided by 5/8 equal to 20/1. So again, you need to draw x divided by 5/8 and then times 5/8. What I do on my left, I do on my right. Okay. And you cancel out this one, you get x equal to, okay, which is 12.5 here for this question. So same thing happens to the other question. Okay, if I want you to try, this is km, this is mile. Okay, 158. If you want to find 1 mile equal to how many km? Again, you need to draw this one. Okay, so y divided by, okay, start from y. You usually copy this one, you take the unknown first. Y divided by 1 is equal to 1 divided by 5/8. Okay, so y is equal to 1 divided by 5/8. So you need to turn it over. So it's 1 times 8/5. So this one will be 8/5, which is 1.6. 1.6. Okay. So I'll give you the last question for this one. Then I think this is about today's simple explanation. So this km and miles. Okay, if I want you to find how this is 1 and this is 5/8. If I want you to find how many km is 149 miles. So you can put a Z here. So you can draw an arrow. It shows that Z divided by 1 is equal to 148 divided by 5/8. So the Z will be 148 divided by 8, which is 1 of, can you see? 148 times 8/5. So this is 148 times 1.6. Okay. So the answer will be 236.8 km. Okay. So it means that 148 miles is equal to 236.8 km. Okay. This proportion method also can be used when you do the money exchange. Well, this is a pound, and this is maybe Malaysian ringgit. Okay, 1 pound equal to 5.2, for example. So how much you need to pay if you want to buy something in UK for 1806? So this is an X. You need to draw an arrow. Okay, so it's X divided by 5.2 equal to 18606 by 1. So the X is 1806 times 5.2. So the answer is will be 9,391.2 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, this is how much money you need to buy something from UK, which is already converted into our Malaysian ringgit. Okay, I would like to use this ratio method. Okay, this is Mr. Henry Clement for your class. Okay, so for the complete notes, you may always look for different colorful notes. Okay, from Facebook or Shopee, and for tuition, you may comment and let us know if you need any tuition for that. Okay, that's all for today. I hope that you enjoy this class. This is a very short class. Okay, you may take this picture for this one and practice this one at home. Okay, I hope that you enjoy our class. Okay, so this is the first part. You can take first, and then this is the second part. Okay, always do the mathematics lesson, do the exercise so that you can learn better. Okay. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoy the class. Tomorrow will be year 9 day or Wednesday. 9 a.m. will be science and at 10 a.m. will be the math. Thank you very much.